Hi, this is Mi'kmaq Tplu'taqnn Incorporated, commonly referred to as MTI. We are a nonprofit organization that represents the treaty rights of the 8 of the 9 Mi'kmaq communities in New Brunswick. Our goal is to ensure that these treaty rights are recognized and to ensure that consultation engagement is meaningfully entertained between the First Nation communities and proponents. MTI is involved in many sectors: agriculture, fishing, forestry, energy, mines, nuclear, just to name a few, as well as treaty rights, environmental impact assessment. Essentially, we are the legal arm of the Mi'kmaq communities, which engages with proponents who are looking to develop projects on treaty land. So anybody in the province that's willing to begin a new project, then they reach out to the Mi'kmaq communities through MTI and start the engagement and consultation process. We have an 8-step process known as the Mi'kmaq Rights Impact Assessment, and this is the tool that we use to monitor ongoing projects on treaty land to ensure that they meet the needs and requirements environmentally for the Mi'kmaq communities.